I'm really happy that art-wise, artistically, people are not expecting so much fine arts from the students of science. But whatever you do, whatever you play, whatever you say, and what does it reflect? Your emotions, your ambitions, your hatreds for bad things, your love for good things, all these things are natural. And never put these things in your mind. If you say something about me, and I improve because of that, then it is a fortunateness for me, that I am fortunate that I have got such students that they caught one of my deficiency and I could improve it. And if you look into the whole history of the mankind, there are very few people who contributed to resolve problems. And there are many who became problems. So never become or never pose yourself as a problem, but always try to resolve problem. If you are a student, if you are the son, daughter, teacher, brother, sister, or whatever capacity you are a passenger in a transport bus, and you can help the immediate community there, help them. By getting to the side, you help the others passers by. The whole life is a giveaway. The one on the main road has the priority, and the one coming from the side road is depending on the one on the main road. If you give him or her an opportunity to pass first, you became a good person. And if you stuck yourself to become a problem there, you are a bad person. The Greek philosophers say that we are not what we are seen by others. Originally, every human being is the same. Independent of the color, independent of the geography, independent of the language, all human beings are the same. It is we, ourselves, that when we control ourselves, we make sacrifices for others, we welcome other people, we are named good people. And it is again we ourselves, when we hate people, when we make problems for people, when we become criminals in various ways, we are called bad people. And if a person of the same shape is very, very good, but when you have an experience, you always feel that that face is bad. So don't popularize yourself, don't stamp yourself with bad colors. Always try to be the best, because this life is very, very short. But what you live is for a very, very long life, the coming generations. The human being, it spent millions of years after the birth to learn sound sleep. But when human being learned in the cave to put stone in the inlet of the cave, he felt himself or herself safe. And after that safety, when he learned sound sleep, his mental level started to grow up, because it was the need. And from that day, if you go to the Adam's age, if you go to the prehistoric times, if you go to the Muhammad peace be upon time, there were good and bad people in the society. Three classes are always seen: good people, bad people, and the munafiqs who are in between. They are always there. And according to our religion, this is a test for the good ones. How you behave with such people, how they make their immense intelligence to make problems for the people, and how the good people deal with them. So I hear in this institution, I see many intelligent people. They could be great scientists, great scholars of national and global level, but they are wasting all their time in making problems for others. You are young. The future of this country, of this region, of this globe is associated with you. So please, please, when you get the seats where I am today, where your honorable teacher are today, where your elders and officers are today, don't make problems for the people. The life should be lived with great happiness, with great pleasure, and great entertainment. Work hard. The more you work, the more you get the reward. Whether it is in this world, whether it is in the eyes of the nation, whether it is in the eyes of the Almighty Allah. But it is you who define yourself by your attitude. So I'm really thankful, and some of the students said very well that yes, you have some of the best teachers of at least the country. But this doesn't mean that we are ranking teachers and students on the basis of their national or international or whatever ranking. No. If I am studying a particular field and I am publishing research in that field in international world-class journals, this means I am among the leaders of that field, because those journals receive research articles from all over the world, and they are publishing 12 or 13 or 14 articles per month. And when my article or my student article or my colleague article is accepted in that journal, this means that I am among the leaders, the global leaders of the field. So many of your teachers are at that level. There are problems without any doubt, right? But such problems is even within the same home. One brother will be richer, the other will be a bit poorer. His house will appear shiny, the other will not be that smart. In the same in the street, everywhere. But we should look as a student, as human beings, that why some people are well developed, they are enjoying their life, they are enjoying their studies, they are enjoying their playing with kids, their games and everything, and the peace which prevails there. And then look into the nations who are suffering and only suffering. If you look into these two things, I'm not looking to you, I'm not assuming you is the students of physics department. You are the future owners of the country. You will be the ministers, you will be the vice chancellors, you will be the professors, and in every walk of life I will see my students. You will be ministers, you will be prime ministers, right? So I want to tell you that when you get that seat, what should you think about? The main thing between the developed, the underdeveloped, the developing nation is that those people have established their institutions train their youth in the fields required for the economic and social development of the nation. And those who suffer, they have not developed their institutions to that level. If you are making a knife, if you are making a pharmaceutical tablet, you need to have a plant for it. If the quality of your plant, the quality of the machine is excellent, then your product will be excellent. But if the quality of the machine is not that level, then the product will not be that good. So our first focus should be upon developing our institutions. I never ever want to discourage you that we are bad. No. Your graduate goes to America, Britain, Japan, and everywhere in the world, and he is competing with the people from those lands. We are not bad, but I am not encouraging you as well. We are not as good as we should be. The peace is a major problem. The uncertainty, the trust upon one another, upon your colleagues, the trust between the leader and the society, the trust between student and teacher, they are not up that level as they are in those countries. I am telling you that a young girl, a young boy, when he comes out of his home or her home, is not safe in this country. But in the developed world, if the same kid comes out of their home in the midnight, they are safe. We need that society. We need that trust on the fellow beings. And it is not impossible. When I was a kid, I was free to move everywhere in the world I wanted to be. The society was so developed. The people were so careful. Up to the 1990s, early 90s, I have seen single Australian girl in the Kagan and Naran Valley walking around as a tourist. I have seen individual single girls in this society. Our society was very, very good 40 years ago, 50 years ago, and we have lost that trust. And it is you. We couldn't do it. We try our best, but we are not yet successful, because this is not, I can't say it is not our fault, because if a society is suffering, the major responsible persons are two. One is your media and the other is your teacher. Teacher is the nation builder and media is the opinion builder. What the media tells you, it makes your opinion. It can make Zardari a thief. It can make Zardari a prophet. This is the media which does it. But my youth, the youth of this country, should be wise enough to know all these things. The most established institution of broadcasting is BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. And I came to know, it was established in 1945, but I came to know in 2015 or 2016. Could you believe it? And what they say, they don't say that Yasin is wrong and Raja Sahib is right. When they have their own interest, they say that the umpire thought, the judge thinks that Yasin is wrong. But when Raja Sahib does the same fault, commits the same crime, he says Raja Sahib has done it. This is the difference. The umpire, the judge thought that Yasin is at fault. And in the other sentence they say Raja Sahib is wrong. This is the skill of media, which promote the interest of the donors and who subjugates the interest of the others. So whenever even the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he was sitting on the camel and he was asked that how many, what is the number of legs of this camel, he didn't say 4, although everybody knew it. But he came down and counted it one by one and said these are 4. So don't believe on rumors. Think yourself. Instigate yourself for deeper thinking. And at the end, I will tell you one thing, that there are levels of knowledge. I am telling all my students, so you should also learn. This is our duty, this is our responsibility. Knowing something, seeing something, that I have seen this person somewhere, then I know the name of this person. This is the second level of knowledge, knowing the name of the person. Third, I know this person. Fourth, I know the parents of this person. I know the village of this person. I know the creed of this person, to which tribe does he belong. I personally know this person. I know the history of this person. I can judge this person from his history. These are different levels of knowledge. You have seen a definition of physics in a book. You have memorized the definition of that parameter in your book. You know the definition of that thing. You can apply the definition you have seen, and you can feel the definition you have seen. So, the best knowledge is that when you say a word comes to your mind and you start to feel it. This is the best knowledge, the level of the knowledge, that you can feel the word. Da mung چې څو کنزلو کې نو سپېړه ته ولې وباسو. Right? When somebody calls you up with a bad name, you slap him. Why? Because we feel it. So when you are learning something, go to the level of feeling things. Then you have achieved that level. You will be able to apply your knowledge. And the main problem in our country is that we memorize Quran, we memorize sense, we give good speeches, we listen to great speeches, but we never feel it. We never act upon these. My request to you is, at the end, I will tell you what is called a joke, to share my fine art side with you. How many of you understand Pashto? ډېرو له پښتو ورځي. Right? یو سړی راغی چې په پلانی جماعت کې پلانی مولانا صاحب راغلی وی ډېر ښکلی تقریر وکړو. Right? وی ډېر ښکلی تقریر وکړو. هغه سړی چې ناستو هغه ورته وی تقریر څه ووایي؟ یاره بس وی تقریر ډېر زبردست وکړو. هغه ورته وی نه تا خو به ورته یو 2 غنټې ناسته کړي که نه، مولانا صاحب خو ډېر وخت نه لګیا و. هغه ورته وی بس خو وی قسم دی که د ده په شان تقریر څوک وکړي. هغه ورته وی هغه یوه جمله خو راته ووایه چې تا به د 2 غنټې کې زده کړي که نه. د ده سوچونه کولو، یاره وی اواز یې ډېر خوږ و. Right? So, it is a level. that you want and like and appreciate a melodious voice, but there also should be some moment. I am telling the same thing to my kids. Enjoy life. The life must be enjoyed. It is important. It is compulsory. But please, please, there must be some time for serious thinking as well. Because this is your world. And it is what you want it to be, what it should look like. Some of the friends, philosopher friends, tell me that you didn't make this world. Allah has made it and He should deal with it. Why should we worry about it? No, today I am the custodian of this world. And whatever culture, whatever society, whatever economics I leave for the coming generation, I will be responsible for it. Stop government ki kunda. A widow in your neighborhood, Allah will not come to ask for her rights. It is your responsibility, your immediate responsibility. So we will be asked about every authority we have in this world during our lifetime. And I am requesting my students again and again that please, please, never develop such a culture. Never develop such a culture that tomorrow you feel scared for your daughters and sons to send to this institution. Develop an environment of such a great trust as the nation in the world have developed, where people send their kids without any worry. Stada watan pigla maashuma che da aga چې ته دلته لېږې سکول ته کالج ته نو فکر منې خو دغه ماشومه چې پی ایچ ډي له انګلینډ ته ځي چې څوک هم ورېډ نه because they feel safe. There is a society. So people are not running after money to the developed world, but they run for the social system, the health system, the security system. Obviously, colder weather is also a part of it. And we can make this land much, much better than the remaining world. I am moving around in the world. I saw America, I saw Europe, and which quenched my thirst that it looks like us, the beauty of the land. It was a small mountain between Switzerland and France. The whole land was not beautiful, and our every village is a model of beauty. There are stony hills, there are huge mountains, there are beautiful natural rivers, there is fertility. And it was Macaulay. If you go to YouTube and probably in the libraries, find the Macaulay speech of 1800 when he was sent to the subcontinent to check, we want to occupy this land. What should we do? So Macaulay came and went from east to west. And when he returned, this speech is on record. They say the people are very, very rich.
बड़ी मुद्दत में साकी बेचता है ऐसा मस्ताना, बड़ी मुद्दत में साकी बेचता है ऐसा मस्ताना, बदल देता है जो बिगड़ी हुई दस्तूर में खाना.